Good morning students. So PHP and Node.js framework. So PHP is basically a server-side scripting framework, and then Node.js, this is mainly used for developing your modern web applications, right? So we can start the discussion.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Uttam. In today's software industry, choosing the right backend development technology is very crucial for the performance, scalability and team productivity. PHP and Node.js both are the popular choices, but still each has a strength and depending on their project requirements. Here we are going to discuss about which is better for the backend development team, PHP or Node.js. Let's discuss.
Good afternoon guys, myself Parmeshwaran. Today I am going to share my thoughts about Node.js. Node.js is a server-side program that allows developer to use the JavaScript for developing the back end of the website. It gives the website as smoother.
Good afternoon everyone. Here I am going to the most reliable and widely used server-side scripting language for web development. It has been in the platform for many years and still covers the majority of websites on the internet. For example, popular platform like WordPress is built on using PHP and which shows its capability in developing scalable and dynamic web applications.
Hello guys, myself Rajiv Kumar. I'd like to know about the key feature of Node.js. It is a very fast execution platform where it has been built by Google's V8 engine for faster execution and handles multiple tasks at the same time.
So good afternoon, myself Ishita. PHP is comparatively easier to beginners to learn and implement. PHP requires a simple syntax and it does not require the complex syntax.
Myself as Framworks, I partially agree with Vidita's point. The PHP is server-side choice, but it's very slower than the Node.js because Node.js is widely like chat-based options like Instagram, WhatsApp, and then more like that. In this Instagram and WhatsApp, while chatting in this, we can simultaneously chat with the multiple members. There is no any need for the request and response based models, but in PHP there is a need of request and response model, but not in Node.js because Node.js works simultaneously with this without any errors and then without any delay process.
I agree with your point. In PHP, this uses strong backend logics like session management and processing, and using a it is highly suitable for a dynamic websites.
So, hi guys, I am Anush Kumar. I agree with Sudhi's point. In Node.js, there is one key advantage like it uses ready-made modules like n8 something like that applications. So it's very easier to deploy the production-ready applications.
Even PHP also has ready-made plugins and things which are available, especially in platforms like WordPress.
And also PHP is supported by all host providers and it is affordable and useful for small business and startups.
And also PHP not only requires real-time applications. Sometimes the applications like e-commerce platform, content management systems need stability and cost-effective deployment, where PHP performs effectively.
But Node.js is used widely in a complex based website and then the application, but not in PHP. PHP can only perform the low apps within a limited reliability, but not in Node.js.
At the same time, it uses a V8 Google engine where it handles multiple tasks at the same time. It executes more tasks and it handles more libraries compared to PHP.
Hi, this is Shweta and I would like to add about the PHP. That is, PHP is mainly designed for web development. Because of this, PHP is easy for handling back-end tasks like handling data and performing form the data and have like easy conversation between the servers and the databases.
And also I had one more point on PHP. PHP is a platform independent. It can run on different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux without major issues.
When it comes to the Node.js, it is a non-blocking and event-handling architecture, and it handles many users efficiently. And it is a best excellent real.
So can you say some real-time examples?
There's a real-time example like in our college, like in the college system, university and all. The PHP is more usable thing because PHP is a basic thing. It can easily handle the data by conversation with the servers of the database. So it will be efficient and more easy for handling a large set of processing and formations and all. So in universities, it mainly uses PHP.
Node.js is used in many applications like PayPal, Netflix, and applications like that. They use this Node.js for handling the high data, like the huge number of data and data streaming apps. They handle the streaming applications, streaming data using the Node.js because it's very faster and very capable.
As Manav said, for these capabilities, in Node.js there is a specific features that is Node Package Manager. In this Node Package Manager, there is a huge libraries to execute the outputs in a reliable way without any errors and then the distractions.
But I would like to add a point, like in PHP it is old but it is more specific because it is used by more specialists and experienced people for past years, and when a huge set of process coming, a huge set of security thing is coming, the process should be focused. So in that time we need experienced guide, and we should know about the errors which has happened before years. So it will be easy for us if we use PHP in real-time applications and further development.